Almost thought I'm not going to do a stream today. Well, yeah. It's going to be not a very long one, probably. Let me just set up the bot first. Is the game ready? When do I do? Juggle. The LD link probably is the one that I want here, right? Davey said it's not bad. What does that mean? It's not bad. Alright. I like this. Main hero being a poop. This deserves a like for sure. Okay, my game, this. We put this here. By the way, I think I need to like compile. Cargo update probably. Cargo update. Is that my game? No, it's not my game. Okay, we updated. And now we do. Cargo build release. Okay. Should have done this before I started the stream, right? Oh well. There's no one here anyway. Let's be compiling. What do I do while we compile though? I don't know. I forgot to update my overlay. I guess I can just run it like locally. I can just play my own game, right? Did you play it yet? You are busy, huh? What is this? Fun little game, but sometimes you can see the mailbox through the ground as high speed. True, that's a feature, not a bug. Who has the highest score in my game right now? Is it Ricky? 33,000 on the fast speed, 30 seconds. 1 life. Or Arya with 76. No, I can beat this. This is easy. Mad respect for putting this out in such a short time with your own tech and stuff way down. Yeah. I mean, we have been doing this for quite a while. When was my first LD? My first LD also was a 48-hour one, and I also did it with Rust. I don't think I ever did Ludum Dare Game Jam without this. My first one was literally just like circles, this thing. I don't know. I think Rust is a very good language for prototyping. That's my thoughts. It's better and it's easier to use than Python, all right? That's why it's like not as impressive as you think it is. Yeah, like you think it's like hard, right? Because it's like of the borrow checker and stuff, but it just means you are like debugging less, right? People are still doing the jump, by the way. 9 hours are left, right? So like I did it solo in 2 days, 48 hours. There's like another category for the gem, which is the gem itself, where you can use pre-existing assets, where you can do it with a team, where you can use pre-existing code and shit. So people are still doing that. Just the compo that is finished, and I'm compiling my overlay. As you can like not see the overlay because I updated the raffle system. So yeah, I needed to compile this before the I started the stream, but all right, we just do nothing for a couple minutes. Do I use Winit? Yes. It's Winit Gluten also for the OpenGL context. Gotta steal my code. If we go here, I split my my engine into different. Okay, my bot is not working right. Okay, we do GitHub. I made even the we made the organization for the gang. It's now the organization gang engine. We are going to put more repositories here. Here's the engine itself. Now it is organized. Yeah, almost. So yeah, there's like a bunch of different crates. For windowing, it's like the window, right? I'm using Winit, but I'm only using it for the native implementation. For the web implementation, I'm using the WebSys directly and doing the canvas elements and stuff. For the native, I do use the Winit and the Gluten. Hello, Rensel. How are you doing? You're from the gem, right? So you have a game, I'm assuming, that you want me to play, right? I'm like waiting for my bot to compile though. I didn't prepare for the stream very well. You're okay with waiting and we can play it later, or like a bit later. Like hopefully this is done like in. I need to compile this and then like the web build also, I think, right? Yeah. Yeah, because like we have the fancy raffle system. I don't know if you have been here on the previous LDs. Basically, like right now, there's not a lot of people here, right? The jam is still going. This is like the testing day for the bot, basically. There's going to be probably a bunch of people, like Bad Cop, wanting to submit their game for me to play, but the bot is not working. Wait. You see, I'm compiling, right? We have the fancy raffle system, which means that we're going to be selecting people randomly from chat. And we visualize it as a battle royale. That's the thing. Bash doesn't have to compile. Well, I don't do bash. I just updated all my dependencies, so I need to like recompile everything from scratch. Would have been nice to participate in LD, but you don't really have time. Oh, you didn't participate, alright. Okay, so then no one is waiting for their game to be played, right? Except for Bad Cop, I guess. Dependencies like SED. Yeah, like WebSocket, the thing that you're using like in Bash, right? That's also in a dependency. If you are using like Gentoo, for example, you need to compile all of your dependencies like SED and like WebSocket like from scratch too, right? Why do I have so many warnings? I don't know, because I need to like, yeah. That's why like, so we like started improving our raffle, but then I was lazy to continue because the code is pretty bad on this thing. Like I need to redo it from scratch or something, I don't know. Or spend some time actually refactoring. I'm so lazy. I should really switch to Nix OS so I can talk about how great it is all the time. What comes first? The Arch or the Nix? Do people come to Arch from Nix, or do people go to Nix from Arch? Or do people go to Gentoo from Arch? Or do people go Linux from scratch? I don't know. Have you ever done Linux from scratch? They go to Nix? I'm pretty sure that like I've heard people coming from Gentoo to Arch specifically because like they don't want to compile everything from scratch, because they want the dependency as already built, and Arch provides you with a good like defaults. I wish I had more Linux people in your social circle. What is your social circle using? Macs? Apples? That's not even computers though, in my opinion, right? The only touching point with Linux I have is servers and your Steam Deck. Oh wait, you are also not using Linux, right? What operating system are you using? You are using Mac. I've seen your stream, but I'm not sure which operating system you use. Mac OS, yeah, oof. That doesn't feel good. Alright. I'm sorry. I tried to go in Gentoo, but fucked it up. I never tried it. I should try it sometime. But I mean, Arch is just like good enough, you know? Like, it's like good for learning purposes, I think, doing Gentoo or Linux from scratch, but like, I don't really see much point in doing that. Nix is interesting also, and I didn't try that. Like, because I like specifically describing your system in just one configuration file, and then you can like reinstall it, like, or like install it on a different PC like really easily, right? It's like dot files, but like for the entire system, right? Which is very nice. Because like when I'm like doing stuff in my Arch, when I'm updating stuff, I always forget what I did. So in Nix, it's like documented, right? All of steps that I did. Oh no, my cask is unbrewed. I need to tap a new one. Oh, that's from macOS. Yeah, I was using macOS for like 3 years. I had a MacBook. I was very happy with it in the very beginning, and then like after a year, about after a year, I realized that like no. And then I deleted it and installed Linux on my Arch on my MacBook. System control. Hello, IC, by the way. Yeah. User restart TTV. Is this a cheat code? Yeah, it kind of is. Let me just restart TTV web also, and then check the status. Those. TTV. Looks like we are running. Okay. I mean, do you want me to just play your game? You are the only one here anyway with a game. I guess Icy also is here, right? Do you want to do a battle? I mean, Icy probably can redeem the play my game now too, right? And then we can do a battle between you two. Okay. Also, before I'm doing that, hold on. System control at TTV. Which one am I using? The working directory is TTV already here. So I'm going to do storage and move Raffle Royale old. So like I delete all the old data, everything is reset, right? Now if I connect my overlay and then I do like level, for example, no. Level is here. What's wrong with the overlay? Test. Oh, I don't see my avatar. What? So the bot is working. It's like the overlay that's not working, right? TV web. Server is running. Okay, let's try this 8000, right? 1001. This it? No, the different port. This one. Update progress title is not a function. Bog. How is it not a function? All right. I think I need to update one more thing, which is the actual cargo gang. Oh shit. Okay. So I need to. Okay. All right. You guys can talk about you talk shit about C++ and you can also talk shit about Go and everything else. You know. You can praise Rust while I'm dealing with this. Like, I'm using Arch, by the way, you know, stuff like that, you know. And to do, we're going to install cargo gang git up and like this, right? Okay. Windows bad. Right. Yeah. I don't know. Is it like Windows fault that like my PC is like lagging lately? I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe it's just like the VS Code. I have too much extensions on it, or something. Like I need to uninstall all of my extensions in VS Code and then like go from scratch or something. But then like I'm also kind of willing to try out the Vim approach and stuff again, like because people told me that I'm using Vim wrong, right? So we can try again with the NeoVim. The NeoVide. All right. What did you do? Doesn't make STD variant any more ergonomic. Ciao, ICS boy X. Hello there. If you guys are coming for me to play your like Ludum Dare game, I'm just like setting up my bot. We're going to be there in just a second. Is it done? Let's try. Looks like get gamepads failed with unknown reason. Get object gamepads is not a function. Wait, what? Are we working though? Let's do a test. Yeah, I see a ray march. All right, so this should be working. The bot is online. It even said so in chat. Oh, and the overlay actually did appear. All right, so let's do a quick test. If I do raffle, Oh wait, it's happening here. Hold on. No. Raffle closed. Hold on. I need to like close this and to do the actual overlay. Whoops. Failed to load. What the fuck? Hold on. Yeah, I think the problem here is that like why is OBS like this? I'm hitting refresh the cache of the current page. I think the problem here is like it's still like loading the old version of this. Like the refreshing the cache button is not working. What I need to do is literally go into like where does OBS this? Where OBS cache? App data. Yeah, that's right. Let's go app data. App data OBS. Plugin config. OBS browser. Cache. Right? Cache data. We just delete that. And we refresh the cache of the page. Result and load. Failed to load sound. What? Ah, shit, what is wrong? Hold on. We're almost done. I like the slash operator on the STD path. Oh no. I think the way they do it in Rust is nice. You do dot join. I don't know, actually, maybe it's okay. I don't know. I didn't try it. Sounds bad though. Okay, why can I not load? But I can load it in the actual browser. So like so you see like the problem. The actual browser, when I'm doing this in Firefox, it works, right? But the OBS browser doesn't work. It cannot load some stuff because like the cache is not. OBS browser. Okay, what do I do? Crash. Oh. Did you know is an operator that can be overloaded? Wait, is where? Is there like an is in C++? I don't remember this. C++ is keyword. There is an is in Python. What are you talking about? C++ is keyword. Keywords. Is. Now there is this. There is no is. Oh, the comma. Right. Okay, what do I do about this? What the fuck? Why is my... How do I make the OBS browser work just like as the regular browser? Is it blob storage, code cache, GPU cache, IntuxDB? Do I just like remove everything from here? How do I clear my OBS cache? OBS config, OBS profile cookies. Shit, it's going to like destroy everything. Who knows how to clear it? Hello, Arya. Bad cop, I need help. How do I clear my OBS cache? I have a thing that like works. See, my overlay works in like the browser, but it doesn't work in the OBS browser. How do I do this? Reinstall OBS? Shit. You can clear it by reinstall it. I'm pretty sure like if I okay, I can do end one. Shit, how do I... this is so annoying. I'm keep... yeah, I think I just... Well, the last time, it like... I needed to like clear this directory or something. GPU cache, IntuxDB, no. It's just the regular cache, I think. By changing the link. Yeah, but like... Okay, I can do like... I guess I can do like hosts, right? And then I can set this to like... This is going to be like overlay OBS. What the fuck? Yeah, like this, right? So then I can change this to overlay.obs.what the fuck, and then click OK. And it's going to be loading. See, like, how? Why can I not just clear the fucking cache in OBS, like, overlay? Why? Why? There is a button that is literally called refresh the cache, and it doesn't work. There you go, the Ray March is on the screen. Let's try the raffle. Should I make it like full screen? because it's like okay, somebody needs to submit a game. IC submitted, Batchcop submitted, Arya didn't submit, Arya submitted now. Alright, so by the way, if anyone else wants to just join, you can just join. Yeah, you're just not going to win anyway if you don't have a game. Oh, that's a very detailed emote you have there. That's cool. Alright, and then I just do raffle start, I think, right? Let's see. Let's see who is going to win. This is the first battle of the LD. Okay. You were beautiful, but you were eliminated. Okay. Okay. Bad Cop, you spent all of your points to make me play your game, but... but... you needed to spend more, it seems like. Wait, speaking about like spending points, right?
Hi?
There is the Twitch channel point reward that you can use to like level up. Right? Let's enable that. Channel points, rewards, raffle royale, level up. How much should it cost? 1,000? 1,000, is it like okay? Let's do 3,000. I don't know. It was spammed a lot. You guys are still going to spam, aren't you not? 1 million. I should make it right. Git commit. I don't need that today. This. Play my game now. No. Okay. Nice. Okay, just the raffle royale. That's all right. Okay, so the Icy Lavas game, the D Live, is going to be the first one. I should turn off that redeem. Which one? The play your game? Yeah, I did that already. Alright. Exterminate violent life forms. They will be delivered to you. How long will you last? Due to time constraint, there is only 10 levels that repeat. Every time you complete a set, a number of enemies spawn increase. Is the web build that bad? Should I download? Runsel? That's how you level up? You don't have a game though, right? So it doesn't matter. Just going to give you more health. You are still going to lose, you know? Native is better, obviously. I don't know. This seems like it's running okay. What do I do? What is the controls? Just the mouse? WSD. WSD that doesn't work. Okay, now it works. Didn't work for some reason in the beginning. What are these? Can I... okay, I can shoot those, alright. I guess the audio is like delayed, right, on the web build? If I'm hearing this correctly. Alright, let's download. Desktop. Let's create a new folder. That's called Ludum James. It still lagged for me in the even in the native build. Is that expected? You see how it's lagging? It's actually freezing more than the web build. Wait, you have the same issue. Wait, something is wrong with my Windows, I think. Because I noticed recently that, like, when I was like developing the juggling game, that when I move my mouse, the game is laggy, and it's like the same in this game. So maybe something is wrong with my Windows. You see, like, I'm moving my mouse, and like the FPS is like 5. You see this? What can be doing this though? What kind of mouse do you have? What if I full screen? How do I full screen? F11? Full screen seems better, but still. I don't think it's the mouse. I have the Logitech. This thing. The Wireless Pro or something. I don't remember. You had this problem before? Okay, so is it like... Hold on. Interesting. So this is the stuff. I have downloaded, right? This is it. What do I do? What do I do here? To change the GPI, the DPI. What do I do? Do I have an AMD CPU? Yes, I have an AMD GPU also. Which is why my stream might like go out at some point. Wait, what? Who started the raffle? What sound was that?
Hi?
Shit! What the fuck? Okay. I think all of the commands were like... were like done twice or something there. Alright. Okay, that's fine. So what should I do, Batcop? So that it doesn't like lag. The report rate? Where is the report rate? Settings? I never, like, it's like mostly default settings though, right? You just change the DPI and that's it. Assignments, light sync, rate. Right over reset to default. Reduce polling rate. Where is it though? Device settings. Onboard memory mode off. Enable device startup effect. Enable DPI lighting always. The DPI screen. This thing. Restore default settings. But this is just the DPI. Why would... Oh, report rate. This thing, right? Choose how often the mouse reports information to your computer. So report rate per second. Yeah, you want this, right? So then it's going to be like reporting less mouse movements. I see. Okay. Maybe this is going to fix it. Yeah, that definitely fixes it. So I have like... I am spamming my PC with too many like mouse events, right? Go to 250. I mean, 500 is not lagging also, but I guess that should be alright. AMD CPUs? What's wrong with AMD CPUs though? There's just too many events per second, I think. And like the game maybe is doing like some logic, basically 1,000 times a second instead of doing it just 60 times a second, right? Because the number of mouse events is like 1,000 times a second, you know, which is like much more than needed. It's an issue with the game not throwing away events it can handle, yeah. Okay, let's play this now. This was just a spawner, and this means that the enemies are going to spawn from there. Nice. Okay, finally I'm not lagging anymore. Okay, mystery solved. Maybe that's why my VS Code was lagging also. Do you guys think that's why my VS Code was lagging too? Oh, I can just hold the button. Nice. Do I just restore health like automatically? How does it work exactly? Or did I literally take 0 damage? I heal slowly over time. Okay. This reminds me of the boats game, which, how was it called? Oh shit. Shit. Fuck. I probably should go full screen so that I don't grab the title bar of the screen. Easy, one-shotted everyone. Can I not stream? I need to make your game. I mean, you can just turn off the stream, right? Or I mean, maybe you keep it on, but you just like hide the window and mute it. Isn't your game almost done though? It's like the last hours, right? Your game is still playing black, nice. So these things, they're just like shooting new enemies, right? Do they shoot new enemies infinitely? No, I think they despawned. How many levels were there in total? Like 10? So we are halfway through the game now. Seems like against these enemies, what I don't really like is that it's not really like an aiming game, because those little enemies, you don't really aim them. They're too fast. That's like impossible to aim, I think. Okay, that's an actual boss with health. Alright. Fuck, I clicked on the other monitor. Shit. You had trouble chaining those little void things? You mean they were like a completely OP? Before? Wait, this is number 11. Oh, this is like level number 1 now again, right? And then it's like double the enemies. Alright. I don't have the score anywhere though. It's just like the number of levels that you clear. So like you were saying that it is for the score chasers, but it's not really like you cannot do much better, especially since the health is going to be restored, right? So it's literally a perfect run because I'm full HP right now at this point after like 3 minutes into the game. How did you make this sound effect? That's probably as a fixer. So yeah, I just don't see how this is for the tournament because of that. With Ableton. Yeah, I guess they're more soft. The SFXer does more hard noises. But you could do SFXer with the effects to have the same sound effects, I think. Like, you do SFXer and then you do Audacity to put some effects on top. And you can get something like this easily, I think. You like the easing those delivery bots come in with? Oh wait, what is being delivered? New enemies are being delivered, right? So there is like waves of enemies, and each new wave is not just spawned like usually in games. They're like helper, like these little things that are actually like delivering new enemies to us, right? That's how you connect with the theme. All right. Some of the things that are like just spawn so fast, I don't have time to react, I think. Maybe it's just me being bad though. Batchcop is very rich, yeah. If there was a way to reset all the channel points for just the LD, you know? Or I just should add some reward that Batcop would like to use when the LD is not happening. What would that be? Wait, we can just do like the challenge, right? Like you did with the Rust stream, and then the Rust stream never happened. I can do something like this, like with the infinite goal. So you go towards that goal infinitely, and you spend all of your channel points. That's how we do it, right? Okay, so what do I think? What do I think? Wait, what was the music of this? Music is nice. I like the music, yeah. I think the sound effects are a little too loud and too sharp still, but the music is nice and the audio was okay. The graphics is like a little too simple, I think. Could add more. Like, even with just simple shapes, there still can be like more things done. Especially like these little enemies. These ones, they're the most regular ones. They're the least details, and there's the amount of these enemies is like the most. So just like, I don't know, maybe add another like shape inside of them, just like you do for the gears. Stuff like that. Graphics could be better, I think. The theme, I see the theme connection, but I'm not sure if that's a good interpretation of the theme. Because like, yeah. I mean, yeah, you make the enemies being delivered. But still. Innovation. I don't know, I feel like there has been a lot of the games like this. Like, this literally reminded me of the boats game, right? You remember the boats games? What was this one called? The Delta, Protocol Delta, I think, right? Remember that one? Like, it just felt like this, but much more polished, you know? Like, it still was simple shapes like this. I think this game could be like more fun also. It was nice, but it was like a little too easy, I think. That's why it was a little too boring, you know? I was just literally waiting for the little boys to come back to me so that I can shoot them. So that like it was slow, but then sometimes it was also like too fast. Like the new enemies appear at the edge of the screen and like shoot something at me. And because the other thing is like slow, I don't have time to react. I don't know. Could be more fun too. But a nice game still. Mode. I don't know. Simple, but levels repeat. Yeah. The leaderboard, score 25. 25 levels? Wait, what was my score? I didn't go 20 levels, right? I think my score was like 15. $19? Alright. So I can beat your high score easily if I just do it one more time, right? It just takes a long time, I think, right? How long does it take to do 10 levels? Like 5 minutes. No, I think it's like too long. That's like the problem. That's why I don't want to like play it again, because it takes too long, right? Can I increase the speed somehow? I guess if I just like one shot the enemies as they spawn all the time, then I can make it fast, right? Like if I shoot here, like this. Shit. But then it's not always possible. And I'm going to miss. 6, 4, 2. Let's do this one first. That's just the shooters. Alright, let's do one more try. I still think it's like... I cannot speed it up myself, right? There's no like right click or any other controls either. Oh, and I lost. I was even like looking at my health. All right. You can kind of control the voids based on your position. When they spawn, they do like RNG, like not RNG maybe, like, but all over, so they are not all in one position. If I can make them go into one position somehow, how do I make them go in one position? By going very far away from them, right? Let's try. So if I do this, then I do this. Seems like they're still not lined up. So I cannot one-shot them all still. They go out of screen very far also. And then they come back, you see, very fast. I think if you made the edge of the screen like so that they cannot go beyond the edge of the screen, just like my player, maybe. I want like the opposite, very, very close to them. So that they are in my... Oh wait, they can shoot each other, lol. Okay, so I just use this anyway. Okay. Have you done the like no shooting run so that they just like kill each other? Is there a list for the games I'm gonna play? No. We do a random game selection. You can submit your game, and then we select randomly the next game. This was just the first game that we played. There's not always shooty guys. True. You could make like the little melee guys melee each other too somehow, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I don't really know what else to tell here. I just keep thinking of the boats game. And I remember it being have more fun gameplay, I guess. You have different kind of enemies though, but I don't think that matters much. Like, yeah. Maybe the difficulty should like go up faster, maybe. I don't know. Well, that's it, I think, for this game. I'm sorry I didn't like it too much, but I'm trying to be honest here. This was Ice's game, DT Live. Do I have the command for like the current? No, I don't have it. And then let's select the next one. All right, Bad Cop. Here's another chance for you. So here's how we select the next game to play. We do it randomly like this, and you can fight, and everyone can fight, and you fight for your game to be played. Yeah, and if I have played your game already, you can still join. And if you haven't made a game, you can still join. It works. Bad Cop Chunky. How much health is there? I don't really see. Is it 40? That's not like... I remember Pomo going to like 100 health. Wait, Arya, did you spend some points on yourself too, right? Do you remember how much points did you spend? Because we're also like need to test if you have like you're supposed to level up every time you participate in this thing, so Hypno, hello there. If you have a game made for LD, you need to submit it, otherwise you will not be able to win this raffle. $9K, so like 3 times. 3 times is like 15 health. I started with 5. Okay, it was 12K. Or wait, what is the cost right now? 3,000. Yeah. Okay. You think you did level up automatic? All right. Well, we'll see. All right, Hypno, do you want to submit a game or not? Because otherwise, you're not being selected here. I'm going to give you 10 more seconds, and then we start the raffle. Oh wait, I need to like do comments, right? I'm on the leaderboard now. All right, I am on the leaderboard. How do I comment? You don't? Oh, you didn't make a game? All right, fine. Wait, this looks faster on this GIF than on my. Why is raffle not full screen? It's not going to like. All right. There you go. Now it's full screen. It looks faster on this little GIF on your game page than it was for me, actually. Okay, let's start the raffle then. Oh, I didn't fix the fact that like the health bars are still like on top. Or like behind the characters. Alright, maybe I do that like today after the stream. I also didn't put the new art that we have, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. Campellans has been eliminated. Well, but you had the least health. So the way this works is like you start with 5 health when you participate in this thing for the first time, and then every time you participate again, you're going to be leveled up, so like 5 more health. And you can also redeem this channel point reward to increase your health, so like you can do this while the battle is happening even. What's up with my name? What's wrong with my name? It's a little glitchy, yeah. I don't know. It's okay. Batkov is the winner with 1 HP. Nice, good job, Batkov. All of those channel points that you spent, they were not for nothing, after all, right? The extra health is a scam? No, it's not. You did win, right? Yeah, it's not rigged. Alright, I saw this game. I already commented on this game, but I didn't play it. You think you're funny? You'll have to time your jokes right for this crowd. Are you sick of rhythm games constantly syncing the beats to music instead of jokes? Then this is the game for you. Keybind options. Arrow up, arrow down. QA, IJ. You know what I hate about this, even though I didn't even try this yet? I want it to be left and right instead of up and down, because like it's much like what like fingers do you use to press up and down or to press W and S? It's like the same finger, right? But left and right you do with different fingers. A and D you do with different fingers. Why don't you do that? Like you do the ZX, for example, or IJ. IJ is not bad. All right. Anyway, so this is like the stand-up comedy show. Are you going to even see, because the text is going to be here on the bottom, right? Like just behind the avatars. Tutorial, W or S in rhythm with a joke, or arrow keys if you want, or IJ. Please press both to continue. Okay, why are dogs bad dancers? Because they have 2 left feet. Alright.
SNH. Why did the red cross the water?
I don't see the stuff. Do I move myself away? Like this? So you can see this? Because I don't think you can hear it if I am going to fail everything like that. 0 points. I'm good at this. Oh wait, if I double, then it's going to like toggle this thing, right? What if I do a down? It's also going to turn red, alright. Hold on, I think I'm going to like literally, like I'm even trying and doing 0 points.
I was going to tell a joke of every time.
This game is like too hard, I think.
But you did find them funny.
This is your favorite joke? I'm not even like reading, I'm trying to like play the game right now, and it's very hard.
This is your Captain C from M.
Fuck.
This is C from M.
Okay, I did some points, so close.
My robot friend got arrested as
Fuck.
he got charged with battery. Do you suck?
You suck? Did they say that I suck? How dare you? This game sucks.
My wife told me to turn acting and video, and I had to put my foot down.
Alright, that was funny. That was good.
That's our time. Have a great night.
You get 0 if you miss the last word. Wait, really? Thanks for playing. Created by Batcop for LD53 comp. I can still like cook stuff in the ending screen. Nice. Continue. Start. Okay, let me try again. That was funny. Crowd not funny. Fuck. How can I restart? Is there a quick restart button? F5, I guess. Finally, a game too hard for Kuvi. Yeah. Okay. Well, maybe I didn't play it for too long yet. Hold on. I'm imagining like a lot of people are going to be like terrible at this, like, and doing 0 points though. You made this too hard, I think, for a game jam.
I had to stop telling
fart jokes? I had to stop telling fart jokes?
Someone told me they stink.
Someone told me they stink. Nice.
Oh my god.
Yep.
I put my grandma in speed dial the other day. I call it Instagram.
Okay, maybe it's easy. Hold on, I'm just like warming up right now.
Why did the chip and over me? Taxivate.
Use your words.
I'm trying to actually like do with the
I got my matrix calibrated recently. I was feeling a bit shift with.
The thing is, alright, so you... Hold on. Let me like finish the run. I want like a pause button, you know?
What's 5 divided by 0? Bad segmentation fault.
That was a nice one. Is there a joke about Rust?
What do you call Fernandez helpers? Subordinate clause.
So bad.
So bad.
Flux competitors, am I right?
Not funny.
Why are dogs bad dancers? Because they have FAM.
Get off stage.
The punchline is the last
That's
word,
our
basically,
time.
right?
Have a great
All
night.
right. Okay, so I think the way it works is like, so you have the word, right, which is split into different into like parts, right? So like you have like hell, and then you have the O, right? No, it's like hell and then low, right? So like, when do I want to press the button? Like, if it's like a rhythm game, I want it to like press the button when I'm like actually like when this is like happening, you know, like. But I think in the audio, this is like, so this is like the segment where this thing is being registered, and this thing is like in the very beginning. This thing is like in the very beginning. So when I'm doing a little bit of error left and right, because I'm a human, this error, because like this point when I'm like trying to like do to the rhythm of the speech, because of the error, I'm like doing this too early sometimes, you know, because like the rhythm thing is like not in the middle of this thing, but in the beginning. Because I'm trying to like listen, and now, so now that I understand how this works, I need to like delay all my button presses to become good at the game, right? Because like I don't want to play it by just by the visuals. I want to like be listening, right? Because it's not like a music rhythm game, but you can still like kind of guess when the stuff is being told. The hitbox has some flex to it. There is an invisible window before the word. All right. Let's see if I get good in this game.
My robot friend got arrested. Heck.
Fuck.
He was charged with battery.
Fuck. 0. Restart. There must be a quick restart button.
I was going to tell you a hack on time travel, but you never find a happy hack.
Fuck.
SMH. Why did the blower not get bad enough with? Because of the where is for. You suck.
No, you suck.
The fish were in a tank. One looked at the other and said, "How do you drive this thing?"
Get off stage.
What do you call the robot who always has a bad wall? Wally.
That was an easy one, Wall-E.
No. Why did the robot chicken cross the road? It was programmed on air.
I think like the things that I have already played, I'm getting better at.
Watch the
I wonder if like
outlaws.
if going for the tournament,
Outlaws are wanted.
like we're just going to like remember all the things, because this is not being randomly generated, right? Like the things that you press. So you just memorize how to like do every single line, and you 100% the game.
My wife told me to stop emptying out her Ango. I never put my foot down.
Use your words.
100% with punchline. That's what I just did?
Get off stage.
That's our time. Have a great night.
Alright. Also, I'm playing with INJ, so I'm playing with keyboard. I want to restart using the keyboard, not using the mouse. Okay, let me try a couple more. Maybe one or two
Why
more.
did the chicken cross the road to get to the other side?
Nice.
Why don't cats play poker and jump and up?
Fuck. What?
Too many cheetahs.
Try Q&A? Like left hand? No.
How do robots pay for things? With cash, of course.
That was a very easy one. So I guess it's also RNG, right?
What's the difference between laws and outlaws? Outlaws are wanted. Why did the dummy go to prison? Prison.
That's your joke? Wait,
iRobot
you participated in
arrested.
making this game?
He was charged with
So it was not Compo then, right?
I hate you.
How do you know you are in as? You feel a little dumb. Do you suck?
I don't like. Is this really? What is this a good idea? That if you miss the punchline, so like the last word, then you lose. I'm not sure if that's a good idea.
A plateau is the highest flattery.
You mean you like it? All right.
How do robots pay for things? With cash, of course.
Feels oddly satisfying. Yeah.
That's our time. Have a great
Okay,
night.
456,000. Is this a good score? What is the current high score? What is the current high score of this game? Where is the high score table? 6-9. Well, I mean this is nice, but that's not high. She said she had 450. So I beat Bad Cop's score then, right? Okay. Because this is more than 450. Okay, do I try one more time? Yeah, this game, I like this game, yeah. You almost played it twice. Yeah, I also played it only twice. What do you mean?
Flux capacitors, am I right?
Absolute perfection. You see this?
I got my matrix calibrated recently. I was feeling a bit shifted.
So bad.
100,000.
This is your captain speaking.
This is your captain speaking.
And this is your captain shouting.
And this is your captain shouting. Absolute perfection. What do you mean so bad? It's absolute perfection.
What do you call a robot who runs a Wall-E.
Well, E.
SNH.
Two fish were in a tank. One looked at the other and said, "How do you drive the thing?"
Oh my god.
Barely got it off.
Why did the Blorgan fan use Baz? Because he wasn't wearing his Borg.
Oh, I'm going for the high score right now. I think.
My wife told me to stop acting like a flamingo. I had to put my foot down.
That was an absolute perfection again. Yeah, I think people are going to be like very good at this. Like once they actually train.
Plus 5 divided by 0.
So,
Segmentation fault.
you know, like once you actually train this game and play it like for an hour maybe.
Why don't cats play poker in an hour? Too many cheetahs.
Too many cheetahs. Solid joke.
Why did the leopard abandon the road? It was programmed to.
Yikes.
That's our time. Have a
Almost
great night.
500k. Alright. Okay, well, I don't know. We'll see if this actually gets... I am assuming though that people are going to like... Maybe if it gets like to the tournament you need to like add more. So it's like, you know... Maybe like you just add new stuff so that people try it like during the tournament, you know? To learn the new stuff. What tournament? Like the Ludum Dare Score Chasers that Pomu does. Look at the chat. Fast forward? What do you mean? Wait, did I not save this? Wait. Wait, where is it? Where did I save it? 496 or something. Where did I save it? The pictures? Screenshots? This thing? All right. Absolute perfection. Okay, it's not absolute perfection, but if I say this and people see that I absolutely perfected the game, they will be scared. So so they will like not even try to become good at the game, and I will remain the first place on the leaderboard, right? Okay, nice game. Good job, Bad Cop. Alright, now what? Now we need to play the next game. Do you have a game? You need to fight. No rating? Wait, did I not rate? Alright. Fun. I didn't read all the jokes, but the ones that I did read were fun. Yes, I will give you a 5 here. The graphics, I like that you... What is this? This is Paint, right? I mean, it's probably GIMP, but I recently, like... I think yesterday, we tried the actual Microsoft Paint. Did you know that in Microsoft Paint, there is actually now brushes there in this, like, Windows 11 Paint. You can do watercolor inside Paint and stuff. No, you're in the middle. It doesn't matter that you are in the middle. It's not rigged. You see in the top below the Raffle Royale, it says that it's totally not rigged. That's because it's not. Mood. Humor. Okay. Audio. I feel like I'm not going to give you high score on the audio because it's just like generated, like you cheated with the audio, you know? Graphics could be better, I think. But it was nice. Like this could use more little polishing details. It's not that like the picture itself is like in Paint art, right? It's like could use more polish, I think. The theme. Sure. If I cheated, then SFXer is also cheating. Well, I didn't give you like a 0, right? It's just... Alright. Yeah, SFXer is also cheating. Yeah, I agree. I agree. But SFXer doesn't even sound very nice. You need to like do something with it on top, you know? I'll give you some points away from the overall because... Okay, not a lot. Maybe like this. Because it could be more like more polished and stuff. But still, very good game. Where can I find my game? Like my game? My game is like... Oh, you cannot see the screen, that's right. And that's what I did with the ratings. Yeah, the Juggle Mail is the game that we made, that I made. That's my game. If the website can open, please, thank you. Yeah, this thing. That's what we did. Yesterday we finished the game. Okay, you're not complaining. You thought I was giving you less when I said about the audio? Alright, let's see. So IC cannot win, Badcop cannot win. It's either Kemperlands or Arya. So Arya has like 75% chance to win, I think, in this battle, and Kemperlands has like 25%, judging by the health. 11 Xeon also doesn't have a game, I think, right? No deaths still. This is a long battle. Let's see. Maybe I need to... I don't want to die. I was 1 health. Let me heal. That's nice. Now I healed. The way you described your thoughts, it sounded like 2s all the way down. No, it was a nice game. I enjoyed it. Wait, 11 Xeon. How? Oh wait. You actually did submit a game. Hmm? Right? Right. That was unexpected. Septum, hello? Is this actually your game? Alright. I thought you said that you didn't make a game or something. Okay. Witch Night delivery. Alright, what do we deliver? Just letters? Welcome to the Witch Night delivery service. Finally, you are approaching your first job as a delivery witch. You cannot wait to get your first broom and get into action. They say the broom is brought by a special guest from LD48. Who could it be? LD48? Did I play your game on LD48? Oh no, my balls. It's a nice name for a game. Plot twist, we don't see the screen. Oh, shit. I need to, like, not forget about it, yeah. I'll be back later, gonna try to not spoil on the games for yourself. Yeah, sure. Are you going to stream today? I'm going to, like, today is not going to be, like, a very long stream. I also sit down. The final boss of LD48 was a witch. She bring the broom into this game. Like of your game LD48, because I didn't play it. I don't remember it. The name was nice though. That's what I was looking at while my screen was covered. Games, LD48, this. You made a game that was called Oh No My Ball. You're going to stream in 9 hours. Well, I think I'm going to be sleeping in 9 hours, so when like the gem just actually finishes. Alright, yeah, I will be sleeping at that time, I think. For sure. What is Opera GX? I don't know. Probably go for a while. Yeah. But then when I wake up, I will probably like launch the stream myself too. I don't know though. Depending on when I wake up. Today is just like a testing day. So I need to like remember to not close the raffle once we choose the winner. Maybe I do it so that it closes automatically after like a little bit. I just feel so lazy to like actually work on this. And then also need to which deliver. Security scan required. Zero viruses, nice, let's run it. F11? What is this? This looks like Game Maker, right? Yes, it says so, game created with Game Maker. Can I do full screen in Game Maker? Alt enter? No. Oh, there's a button, alright. Okay. Play. Which is night delivery? Wait, I can just close this, right? Oh no, the UI is so small in full screen. Skip tutorial F10. Do you even like see this text? This is so tiny. Open menu G. It's because you made it for... Okay, this is supposed to be like on the bottom of the screen. It's because my monitor is not full HD, it's like 2K monitor. I have higher resolution than you, and you don't scale your UI. This is supposed to be like the middle of the screen. Yeah. Alright, so what do I do then? Open menu G. I guess we don't do full screen. We instead just do this. And we play in a window, I guess. Okay, what are the controls? Skip tutorial F10. Wait, there was a tutorial? Welcome. You are new here. Don't worry, I will explain you everything. Okay, there you go. I scaled it for you. Don't worry, I will explain to you everything. It's pretty easy. Pick up this envelope. Okay, how do I close this? I just move, alright. I picked up the envelope, nice. Great, follow the indicator, I will meet you there. I once was a delivery witch, now I patrol around the village. Like you what? You were shot in the knee or something? You found it. Very good. Now select either with your mouse wheel or with 4 the envelope in your inventory, right click in the direction of the letterbox. Instructions unclear. Hold on. Okay, scroll to like select and then right click to shoot into the thing. Okay, so it's like our game. We're also shooting things into mailboxes, the letters into the mailboxes, right? Wait, your game looked that good in 2K? Oh, so you actually did scale your UI, right? You see the mimic letterboxes at the top? Try feeding them with meat. Okay. So like different mailboxes require different food basically, right? And this one, the one that is on fire, this is the ice cubes, all right? The ice cubes here. Good job. Next, I will show you how to get the meat by yourself. Here is a dummy. Try to get it on fire and finish it with a spell. So fire is 3. I think you didn't like... You didn't make the icon for the fire? And spell is 1, alright. So fire is 3. No time left, alright, that's fine. And freeze and finish. Blam. Okay, so if we freeze, we get the ice cube. If we fire, we get the meat, right? There is only one more thing missing to start your job as a delivery, which a broom. Okay. Mount your broom with a space key. Use it to get over obstacles like water. Follow the indicator to the right to get your job started. Okay, it's also like makes me go faster. Nice. Quest. Welcome. Deliveries are timed. You get 5 minutes. You need to deliver 10 envelopes. Follow the indicator and deliver them in time. Press E to start. Can I shoot while I'm on the broomstick? I can. So why do I need the food then? What do I even need the food for? I mean, I see that some of them like are this. Like, do I care though? Does it do anything for me? What a wonderful night. You will see it in the next delivery. All right. So it's like it's going to be a quest for us to do the meat. Probably, right? Good job. Are you ready for the final delivery request? Press E. You need to deliver 5 envelopes, 5 meats, and 5 ice cubes. Hope you don't forget how to get meat and ice cubes. You can hear goblins in the woods. Use a spell. Alright. Okay, so we need 5. And 5. Alright, where are the goblins in the woods? Where is the woods? This is the woods, alright. What if I do it with the bunnies? Oh, I get it from the bunnies too. Alright, we get 5 of those. Okay, and then they respawn even. Wait, what? I cannot shoot at this one because that's not my quest. All right. I can only shoot at my current target. Is that correct? I think it would be nice if I could just throw at anyone. Yeah, because like I need to go... Because I could optimize my route myself then. Played anything nice? Yeah, we played Bad Cops game. Bad Cops games was nice. I only played 2 games so far, so it has not been a lot of games yet. This is game number 3. So I only have delivery successful. Return to get a new delivery request. All right. Congratulations. Thanks for playing my Ludum Dare entry. Hope you had fun. Nice. This is the end. All right. I expected there to be more because you said return to get new quest or something, right? Okay, that's nice. So I think this game has like a nice idea. You could make this like an infinite game though. You know, it's like randomly generate the stuff. Also, I don't like the fact that I need to go to a specific location. You know, like I wish I could do my deliveries in any order. And then it could be a good high score game, for example, I think. Also, I'm not sure if I'm a fan of like selecting the thing that I'm throwing and then throwing it. Could you just instead bind these things to 6 different keys? Like do regular attack with like left button, throw the regular envelope with the right. I guess that's like too many buttons though, I don't know. So this was the Wish Night delivery service. I'm going to play a new game next, which means that if there is someone here who wants me to play their game, you need to join the raffle by doing this. I will hide it though while we rate this. You can still be joining. Does it work if you join like while I hide it? Yeah, it does work. All right. Okay, I think in terms of the art, there is like a lot of like empty space on the screen also. Yeah, this grass also looks a little too repetitive. The houses are good. The characters themselves are good. Goblins, I like those. Wait, was there audio in this game? Why I always forget? You don't have a game? That's fine. Why I always forget? Was there music in this? Yeah, music is nice. Alright. Let's go. Wait, did I... Alright. Yeah, okay. I think 4 is nice for the audio here. Graphics, like I said, a lot of empty spaces. This grass is repetitive, but other than that, I like the art. Humor. Was there humor here? I'm not sure about the humor. The theme we are delivering. And not only the envelopes, but also... Like, yeah, okay. So, the ice cubes doesn't feel like I'm delivering the ice to the thing. It feels like I'm, like, healing the mailbox. Or feeding it. I'm not delivering meat to it. I feed it. I'm delivering letters, that's right. Yeah, and if it was like done in a different way, like I was saying, I would enjoy it more. If it was like me going for the high scores instead of just doing it in like the predefined order, like you made me to do it in the order. Would be more fun if you didn't do that, I think. Overall, a nice game. Not sure about the humor. Can you submit a game that you find interesting? Like from LD? Well, but what if the author of this game is going to come to the stream? Today we don't have a lot of people, but I expect like a lot of people are going to come tomorrow when the gem is actually like finished. I mean, maybe you have like something else, or some other stuff, I don't know. It doesn't matter, you can still join the raffle, you know? You're just not going to win if you don't have a game. Anyone else who wants to join? I think it's only Arya and Kempelans. You guys going to be cursed for this one? Yeah, I'm also cursed. So is Rensel. So those people who don't have a game, or people who which game we already played, are not going to be able to win. That's how this thing works. I guess no one else wants to join. All right, then. Let's see who's going to be next. I think the problem with the nicknames is that, like, there is some alpha action happening, and this overlays like on top of the actual display capture. That is like clear the alpha here or something. Thanks for playing. Thank you for coming here to the stream and submitting it. If you want to check out my game is this. The Juggle Mail. Septum. GG. Movieman has been eliminated. Arya. Not today. That is going to be Kempelans. Okay, so I just need to not forget to do this. But I can do this automatically, technically. Pixel Stranding. Oh, I remember this one. I mean, I didn't play it, but I remember you being here and telling us about this game. Download source code. And we play here. Alright. Buying health was a scam. Did they buy health during the fight? I wasn't paying too much attention. Oh, you bought health, right. It's not a scam, it gives you more chances, but like, even 99% chance to win is not 100%, you know? I think this game doesn't work. The operation is insecure. Wait. Hold on, Campelans, have you tried that your game is actually playable? The operation is insecure. I tried doing my game for this Ludum Dare embedded. It says the same stuff. What if I do it in Chrome? I don't think it's browser dependent either, right? Oh wait, it actually worked in Chrome, but not in Firefox. Okay. Movement-based game. All right. Pixel Stranding. I didn't read the instructions. Should I read the instructions or should I just play? Okay, I guess some people tells me that it does not work, but some said that it does. For Firefox? Or like in general, because yeah, it works in Chrome but not in Firefox, I think. Alright, so one thing to notice immediately is that you don't snap your camera to the pixel coordinates, which leads to this like weird artifacts when you do the easing of the camera position. Wait, can I double jump? All right, I think I can double jump, right? And I press E to exit. The cam bug, it says, oh, it is a bug. All right. Yeah, I didn't read the description. I should have read it. Oh, I see. There are spikes. All right. Oh. Okay, and then they, yeah. So like, do I need to deliver all of them? So my deliveries, they are like, can also die. Can I restart a level with an R? No. Okay, so what do I do? How do I even do this jump? This is impossible. What if I get rid of all of my... Okay, I can only get rid of 3, I think. Like that. Am I going to jump higher if I have less cargo on me? Holy aliasing, yeah. I'm not going to jump higher. How do I even make this jump? This is impossible, literally. Hold on. Dash? Oh, right. Okay, fine. I will read description. Shift to dash. There's no sound in this game, right? Because I'm not hearing any. Huh. Doesn't sound like it. That is impossible. Can I do another dash after I do a double jump? Hold on. Oh, I can. All right. I had no time and I was frustrated about the game is in the description. And I know last level is a shit. Sorry for that. Okay, let's see. Like the issue with the game, I think, is that you want me to do this jump, but I don't even see where I'm going. I think. So it's like all of the jumps are blind, basically. Oh wait, I can just do a double dash. I don't even need... I see. Does this mean that I can do triple jump? No, okay. Fuck, so yeah, like how am I supposed to know that I need to go there? I have to do everything from scratch. My eyes. Okay, is this the last level? Yeah, the aliasing is like... It does make the eyes hurt a little bit. I just noticed that the restart is a flashbang. Oh. So that's why... Ah, okay, yeah, that drop was BS. Okay, bye. Hello, Pomo. Goodbye, Pomo. Fuck. Alright, easy. Wait, what do you mean last level is shit? It was easy. Easy game. Thin. Any secrets in the final? I guess not, alright. Well, please log in to rate this game. Oh, I'm in Chrome, that's right. Okay, audio, there's 0 audio. You could have opted out of audio. If there is no audio, you know that, right? Or can you not opt out in compo? I think you can still opt out. Humor, not sure if I saw any humor. Graphics, there was like the aliasing issue like is hurting. What would Death Stranding be like if it was 2D platformer? I know that the game has visual bug. It doesn't have sound or effects, but I've been trying to program a shit mechanic for the whole 2 days. That hasn't come out, and since I'm already tired and it stays that way, I hope you enjoy it more than me. Alright, that's fine. Is this your like first gem? Ever? Is this your first game ever? Theme. So like yeah, about the theme, the like the Death Stranding is nice. I'm not sure how many games are going to be about like Death Stranding. Yeah. I didn't really feel that I'm delivering this like gameplay wise. The number of like items that I actually delivered doesn't seem like that matters. That's like probably like the score that I get, right? I like the idea of it like Death Stranding game for this gem. Graphics could be better, but it has graphics. It's better than nothing, you know? Innovation. I mean, it's just jumping. Not sure if there is a lot of innovation. Fun. I think with a lot more work, it can become fun, but as it is, yeah. Hope you enjoy it more than me. First Ludum Gem, but I also was ambitious and I have to erase all. Was ambitious that you have to erase all? Wait, what do you mean erase all? It's okay, it's okay. Yeah, like you realize that you went like overly ambitious for your like for the gem, right? Like just next time try to make something much simpler, right? It's better to have a very simple game that's polished well than overly ambitious project that is not finished. How many games have I played so far? Like 3. This is game number 3, I think, or 4. I think it's number 4. Yeah, number 4. We played Icy, Bad Cop, The Witch, and the Pixel Stranding. Yep. Is your game done, Foggy? Because we're going to do a raffle right now. And you can join. There's Arya though, who has 45 health. I had planned 2 more mechanics and I have to erase. Oh, I see, you erased the mechanics. Well, yeah. Yeah. Alright. Okay. I mean, you just get better with gems with time. Since this was your first gem, it was a nice game for the first try, I think. Yeah, only going to become better when you do more of it, right? You can also use the channel points to like upgrade your health, by the way, to have more chances. But it's just you and Arya. Foggy. Alright, let's start. I have a small party today because the gem is still going. 7 more hours. You have all the chances. Yeah, you do. Raffle start. Yeah, I need to fix this. How bad is it that the health bar is like behind the character sometimes? Is it very bad? Or is it like still fun to watch this? You're bulletproof, never mind. Wait, where are you? Oh, you have been eliminated. Well, GG. Are you going to stream for 7 hours? No, not today. I'm going to stream for like maybe 1 more hour. It's probably going to be like this game, the Arya's game, and then like Foggy's game. Maybe someone else comes and submits their game, and eventually it's probably going to. We're probably going to run out of games to play from chat. Wait, Arya, I just noticed you called you called your name Postman, and last time you named yourself your game Spaceman. You call me Babyman and Rustman or whatever. And my name is Scoobyman. I see a pattern basically in the names of the things. You started this after the Day of Flame, though. Spaceman, Postman. Usually people ideate more in the first 2 minutes than they can implement in a week. Yeah. I mean... yeah. Postman! I gave about a poor slime delivering mail. ZX... CXZ. Alright. Okay, the jump animation is nice, I like it. the landing animation. I can pick it up and I deliver the box to the goal. Wait, what is it? Like, why are you showing me the controls for the control? All right, fine. Where's my gamepad? Fine. Because no time. So what is this? Hold on. How do I restart like to the very beginning though? F5. Let me just figure out the other controls from the beginning then. Hold Z jump. No. I'm playing with gamepad now. Okay, that told me to jump, alright. Okay, this is climbing. Alright, this is Celeste. Can I climb with this thing? I cannot. What does this say? I can jump off the wall, alright. Overlay hides all the game. Alright. Oh, you're literally in the bottom, yeah. Overlay hides all the game. Alright, I guess I hide the overlay. We don't need overlay for LD, right? I think I should like just hide it for all the games. Maybe I hide the camera also, because I'm also going to be hiding the gameplay. What does this say? Slime is bad cop? Yeah, I see the cop hat. Wait. So I'm supposed to like throw this thing on top, right? Is that what you're telling me? What is this? I'm pressing down and I'm... Wait. Is this down and left at the same time? Okay, now I'm not hiding the gameplay. What are I supposed to do here? Those are not direction buttons? Oh, okay. But how, like, I cannot shoot on top of this thing, though. Oh, I do wall jump and then I throw. Alright, I'm smart, see? Easy. Come on, small. Well, at least I don't hide the gameplay this way. Thank you for playing. Oh no, it was so short. Why did you make it more? I was just like starting to like really enjoy it. You know? Why is it so short? Well, I guess it's longer than the Spaceman. So good job. It was nice. I was like assuming there is going to be like levels with multiple and like multiple boxes, for example, because you can like stand on a box. You can use one box to like stand on it to throw the thing higher, for example, and a lot of other stuff. Davey would have probably come up with a lot of good levels for this game, because I suck at time management. Alright. I say it's like very easy to do the time management for the LD. You do day 1. After day 1, your game basically needs to be finished, and you'd spend day 2 just polishing the game. So you don't do any art. You only do the gameplay and like the levels basically on day 1, and on day 2 you just do the art and sounds and stuff. I think that's like a good strategy for compo, because like the gameplay is the most important thing, right? In my opinion. So that's the most important thing to get done first. I did gameplay but no levels on day 1, and then I thought the game sucks. Well, yeah, for this game obviously like the gameplay includes the levels, I think, right? Yeah. Because level designing also takes time. Yeah. Okay, fuck it, just do something. Yeah, well, it's nice. Maybe if you, I don't know, you like completely against going gem? You need to finish it in 2 days? I think with just 1 more day you could make it so much better. Anyway. Audio, nice. Humor. Postman. Also, on the cover image you have multiple slimes, but there is only one slime. Humor, not sure about that. Mood, not sure about that. Graphics is nice, but could do some more details. The theme, you deliver a box to the end. Alright, fine. Innovation, I don't know. Do you just take the character controller from Celeste? You just copy paste it, or do you implement it from scratch? Fun. It was kind of fun to play, but yeah, I just wish there was more to it. One slime per level. Was considered a gem but felt too tired. Alright. You know what happens to me usually? Like, I stop not because I'm tired, but like, just like you said, you think that the game is like trash at some point, right? And you say like, fuck it, let's do something, right? But then, didn't you like realize in the end that your game is like kind of not trash? But what happens with me is like, I say, I like think, yeah, okay, the game is trash, and then I just stop. I did that for a bunch of game gems. Even like for the extremely extreme sports, I think this was like not a very good gem, so not a very good game, so I stopped working on it. Still, or Kutzmania also, I remember that. Even although I have time to work on it. Started growing on me once I added the goal sound and the slime. Yeah. The sound of the sound is what makes the game more alive. I agree. Yep. All right. Anyway, Apple. Everyone needs the Brainoid. Like, because Brainoid is the CEO, or what? Because it, like, cheers us up and lets us not, like, makes us continue working on the game? Or because of music? I did music myself this time. and I think it's nice. Especially like, it's basically my first real music for a gem. I'm actually very happy with the like everything in the game this time. I think the game that I did for this gem, for this LD, it's probably not my best game, obviously not, but it's like the most polished game that I made for a gem, I think, this time. Okay, Foggy is there. Anyone wants to fight Foggy? Okay, fine, I will fight Foggy. Foggy is dealing a lot of damage. Foggy is 1 HP. I can win it. Right? Right? What is happening? Soul deliver. Let's see. Deliver packages and mail to a village in the mountains. Controls can be seen in game. Wait. Ludum Dairy? The font? This is not the Ludum Dairy. This is a different font. I feel like I've been lied to in this description. The browser version is for some reason missing color correction and particles. I recommend downloading the game. Dun, tururun, tururun. Godot. Nice. Made for LD50. This is nice. Title screen. By Foggy Dude. No sound? I don't hear any sounds. There's a village in the mountain. Enter or space. Nowadays, the only people that come into it are the delivery men for the stores, so that people don't run out of food. Is Davey here? Davey is working on his game, so he's maybe focusing and like has the stream turned off so that we're not distracting him, you know? Nowadays, the only people that come into it are the delivery men for the stores, so that people don't run out of food. Put packages and mail into the post office. But packages and mail in the post office are still waiting to be delivered. This is also not Ludum Dairy. Right? Or did you pixelate the Ludum Dairy font somehow? Press F to enter letter mode. Oh shit, what is this? Where? What? Try pushing it. I push the letter? Oh shit. I'm building bridges. How do I jump? Huh? How do I right click to remove? How do I like... Where's the controls? Controls can be seen in game. Shit. I don't see controls in game. Enter press it and then press space. You didn't teach me that though. Oh, press space to climb. Oh, okay. So it's not the jump. All right, it actually does show it. It's like behind the. It's behind the overlay here. Yeah. Okay, and then so yeah, I just. Wait. How do I delete this now? Okay, right click. I couldn't right click there for some reason in the beginning also. How do can I not climb vertically? I guess not. So I need it to be like slightly. Okay, now I can climb. All right. LD dropped off hard. There's only 495 games. I think I checked for LD52. It was like 420, so it's like less. It was less last LD. Is this Mr. Jeremy? Yep. Are you the delivery guy that they were talking about? Yeah, there. Here is your package. Alright. Now what? Now what? Instructions? I go into the cave. Alright. This was not clear that I needed to go into the cave. LD50 had like 800 for compo? Really? It was high before then. Oh wait, I pressed Q. Q is the restart, so it's not the R. Okay. Cheap materials. Wait, what is this? Oh, it's a timer. Ah. Wait, I think I remember, like, for this, you were climbing, like... You were doing, like, this animation even when you were doing this horizontally. Why did you remove that? It was funny. You really are the delivery man. Alright. Oh wow, it's from my nephew. Okay, so I think the text doesn't matter. LD38 has 1,000 comp games. I think the problem is like the old people are still participating in the LD, but how many new people are getting into the LD? Especially with the spam messages on the front page. I feel like a lot of new people are just like, what the fuck? And then just don't join. I called player a horse. Oh no. But it was funny. I didn't say it was bad, right? Rescue to restart, and by the way, you have only one letter. Yeah, I know that. Why can I not climb right now? It doesn't do anything. The game is a little buggy, I think. Alright, okay. Wow. Hey, Mike is still approving games manually, so the stats are wrong? No, I don't think the stats are wrong. Why would they be wrong? I don't know. Do you remember your first LD? Why did you do it? It was very confusing for the first time for me too. It was just like... I think it's just a friend told me about LD. I don't know how they learned about it. How does a... like... Because of a lot of jams on the itch. Especially like, why would one come to LD? They need to learn about it somehow. You can have only one letter. Shit, I didn't remove that? I'm stuck. Q. need to remove that. Hold on. Fuck. Bam, 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 bam. Heard about it before, but you started participating only at some point, right? Okay, makes sense, I guess. Slippery slopes. Alright. This literally doesn't matter for this game, I think. Pim, 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 pim. Ah, fuck. No. Climb. Okay, let's wait. This is going to stabilize. What do I need to do for it to stabilize? Maybe it needs to be more vertical? I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, more vertical works. I don't know why though. That should not matter, right? Ah, I don't know want to go the other way. Bim, 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 bim. Okay, easy game, easy game. Why can I not delete this? Okay, I can. Sometimes it feels like I cannot click on it either. The finish line, level 5. The physics also like weird. What is this thing standing on right now? Like just on air. I can rotate the letter. Wait, can I? R. Oh, we can do this. Okay. I didn't know. Oh shit, I pressed Q. I didn't want. Okay, that's how you are supposed to do it. Blame nature. Oh, so we deliver, but this is still not the end. We need to also make it to the cave, I guess. Oh no, there's like multiple deliveries on this level. You look like Bill. This is Will. Ah, yes, I'm Bill's twin, and guess what? We're both mechanics. Nice. There's like some humor in the text that I'm mostly ignoring because it doesn't matter. Shit. Okay, it's fine. Can I climb the ladder like this? I can. Lol. I think the car is still going. I still hear the car. This is a long level. Will's car never stops. Right. You did it, Yahoo! Now go to the peak of the mountain with the ladder. And this is just one big level, right? Oh, now we have a big level, All right, I see. Shit, I cannot delete it. No. Oh no. Am I not going to be able to like win the game because I put my ladder the wrong direction? Oh no. Do I need to like restart the level from scratch? Is this a 4D game now? The finish line. Can I just go to the end immediately? Is there like a way for me to do something? Like, can I climb this like somehow? Maybe. There's no shortcuts here, right? Oh no, I'm inside the textures. What do I do now? I like how the ladder can climb out of the textures, but I cannot. Wait, what happened? I just teleported randomly. Oh, nice. I can teleport. Wait, hold on. Can I teleport into the wall? Into the left wall so that I can go up there. I can only put the ladder horizontally on my level, right? Oh, okay, hold on. So I can do... Hold on, I can do this. I can do this. And I can space climb into the textures. And then I can do this. Wait, can I not? I can. Alright. Here's how you do it. No! Hold on. I need to figure out. The fact that I cannot like delete the letter. I will ban you from my games? Wait, what? Why? I'm testing your game, you know? Yeah, let's go deeper into the textures. Speedrun strats, yeah, exactly. How do I... Okay, Now the question is, how do I like get out of this position? All right, easy. Easy. Let's go through the mountain. I don't need to deliver stuff, right? Oh. The game froze. The game has been frozen, and it doesn't like my speedrun strats, I guess. Wait, did you just ban me from your games? Is that what just happened? That's why I cannot play it anymore? Oh no. But I wanted to see the ending. Godot is not responding. Okay, well, I guess there is no other game, so we can speedrun it again. Let's do it properly. You'll make a cheat build? It's fine. I think I'm going to do it faster than you make the cheat build, right? I cannot skip the text while it's still appearing on the screen though. Make sure to give people their packages. Oh, okay. So I actually do need to do this. All right. On the final level, you only need to deliver to the final guy. All right. Yeah, if I go back from the ladder and then back onto it, then the thing appears again. What happens if I go on top of the thing here? Probably nothing, right? I don't think I can climb there. Can I? Like, I mean, I can by cheating. All right. I will not break the game anymore. I think the bug that I cannot delete it is like if I'm climbing the ladder and hovering it at the same time, then when I end the climb, I cannot delete it. So I need to like unhover and then hover over it again, or something like that, maybe. I will deliver to everyone one, though, still, just because I can. Doesn't take a long time. This is why I should fix spaghetti code. For me? My spaghetti code works though, right? When I tried to unspaghettify, then I started to do a lot of bugs. Spaghetti is good. Oh no! Shit. I should do everything from scratch now, because I fell. I think, like, you don't want people to be, like, annoyed with the game, right? You should have just made it so that you can just place a new letter. Like, you don't need to delete the old one, you know? Because this is going to be very annoying for a lot of people. Why can I not climb this? No. Why is my like letter no longer like limited? Like why is it limited here but it was not limited before? Like is it like depending on the position? Okay, now we can climb the big ladder. Nice. 7 minutes. And I guess that's like the second run. So it was like 15 minutes. You just changed the ladder because you thought that part would be annoying with the basic ladder. Oh, okay. Okay, well, there's a couple bugs in the game which make it like pretty annoying to play, but the idea is nice. It's not that very challenging though. I mean, you probably didn't intend it to be challenging, but because it's not challenging, right? Like the only challenge is that like you forget your ladder, and I don't think that's a good idea. Just remove that and make it like completely just a chill experience, right? It's basically a reading game. Just you're reading a story, right? The dialogues. Music was nice. There was some humor in the text. Graphics could be better. I think like why didn't you use this as the actual? I think I would enjoy this more. And like this like looks better than the actual level in the game. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. This is so crazy that I can do coding for 5 hours, but I cannot study half an hour for your college exams. Right. I have experienced the same. And it did not end well for the college and for me and the relationship with college. All right, that was it. Is there anyone here who has a game for LD? Because I think that was the last game that was actually like submitted. In case you have a game, here's a little raffle that we have. If you have made a game, let's fight. Okay, well, I have a game. Let me submit my game. There's no one? Alright. If there's no one... What is this? What did I do there? There is no one, then I'm just going to show my game one more time in case you guys didn't see it. No one is even going to fight me. Alright. Alright, I'm just going to win. Rigged. See? Because no one made a game, it's going to be rigged. I'm going to be the winner. Fine. How far is your game from being made, Nerdsoul? Let me try going for the actual high scores in my game then. Just for a little bit. What is the current highest score? 70. Yeah, let me try to see how impressive Ricky is. 33,000. You adjust mechanically, so just as sound effects and art. Nice. 30 seconds, fast, 1 life. That was Ricky did, and he did. He did 33,000. Let's see. Oh shit, I lost. That was 1,000. Okay, maybe Ricky was impressive. Let me try again. Alright, 1 life is actually like pretty hard. Ah, shit. 1 life is so bad. I don't like 7,000. All right. Well, I mean, I'm going to become better at it. Am I? Okay, so you can juggle like a couple things just here. Ah, shit. 15,000, alright. Twice as much as this, and we beat Riki. Easy. Wait, how much? Trumpet noises, yeah. I'm the walking trumpet. What if I just juggle? What if I just juggle? How much score am I going to get? Wait, this is going to be exactly 30,000, I think. If you just juggle and you don't shoot. Just juggling, I think I can do. It's just like shooting at the same time as juggling is what is hard. Okay, yeah, I did shoot. Nice. I shoot once, which means that I probably am going to... Wait, no! Wait, what the fuck? How did Riki do 30,000? That's a lot. Hold on. He's actually good. Alright. 3, 4. Let me try doing 4. Okay, hold on. Let me actually count. So I think we get 100 score a second normally. So 30 seconds means 3,000, which means that in order to get 30,000 from just juggling, I need to juggle 10 things at the same time on this fast. I think this is Photoshop. Where MMO? Says Riki. Where's proof? Okay, maybe I'm just bad. Alright, let me try again. You need to like shoot. It means basically that you need to shoot also. Ah, 20,000. Okay, I'm getting better. It is possible. MMO update when? I would do an MMO if I would like know how to make this game into an MMO. That was on pace. I would. Okay, so we basically like juggle 3 things and we shoot at the same time. Okay, that's how you beat Riki. How to make this game into a multiplayer? Because if I knew, I would do this during the jam. Ah, so close. I would beat Riki here. I was actually like very good. Okay. This game actually, I don't know if this game is not going to be played on the score chasers. I don't know. Bad Cops game is also a good candidate, but I just think that it has the limit and it is achievable. maybe you know, like, bad cop. Maybe if you in your game, like you get more score if you like do it exactly on time. Like, you know how in the games that are rhythm games, you can hit the note like perfectly or like kind of okayish, so that the score is not just either true or false. The limit is quite hard. I think it's going to be like, you see, like the score that Ricky got in my game is also really hard, but he did get there. Like, if you just play the game for long enough, you're going to get there at some point. I just need to survive. I just need to survive, and then I beat Ricky easy. I think what Ricky did then is just juggling 2, right? You just juggle 2, I think. I think if you just juggle 2, then you can get to 30,000. It's also like you need to aim. Sometimes you shoot through the ground, that's a bug. I mean, a feature. 44,000. Alright. Okay. Okay. Ricky? Where? I didn't know how to make this MMO, sorry. That was good. I like my game. You guys should play it. The link is here. I knew that making a juggling game is going to be good. I knew it. And it's actually like aligned with the theme. That's perfect. Right. That's going to be it for me for today. It's going to be it was short. Tomorrow is the actual playing rate. Let's see who's streaming. Rocket Launcher. I enjoyed this one too. Wait, so if Rocket Launcher was played on the Score Chasers tournament, which means that Rocket Launcher is probably also going to be played there, right? That's like cheating though. I feel like Jitspo is a little cheating here, right? He's just like improving his old game, no? Or is he doing this game from scratch? I don't know, I didn't watch much.
Oh boy, so much to do.
Okay. When you join the Jitspo channel, basically what you can do !fart in Jitspo chat. And it does a little fart noise, and it's RNG. Alright? So do that. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
I don't even... Goofy man! Oh, that's why all those farts are coming in. Oh, jeez. What have you told your raiders to do, Goofy?